What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be making the last video of the Hunter Amberlin that's in my room. We're going to be taking it down soon because it's getting pretty wobbly and I don't really feel like it fits the look anymore. Everything is white around the room, the wall trim, the radiator, even the door too. Just doesn't really fit. The new fan is actually right here. This is the motor housing cover. Here's the fan itself. It's a hugger. And this is the light kit. It's got a spotlight kit. I'm gonna make a video the day after it is posted. So yeah. I mean, I'm gonna make a video the day after it's put up, but yeah. Let's start off with the light. I took a bulb out. Nothing's burnt out right there. I added a little decoration on here. I'm gonna take it down and put it on the new fan. Let's start off on high. I know people don't really do high, medium, low, but I'm just gonna do that to make it easier. It's a good way to put it out of its misery. You may see a little wobbling. The pull chains are shaking rapidly. If you see the wobbling right there. Let's turn this thing to medium before it freaking falls off the ceiling naturally. It's coming to ruin, I tell you that. I'm leaving the lights on just so you get a good look at that. Now let's turn it to low. I think we should turn the light off now. This is also the 2023 Remake. Now we're gonna turn it off. Let's do a spin down. I want you guys to get a good last look of it. If you can see the blades, a blade might be a little droopy. Probably this one just passed by. Here. That one right there. There it was. There's the Hunter logo. And if you're asking, am I keeping this fan? Yes. Yes, I am. is my first installed fan in my room. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep it in the box that I got the new fan from. I know the parts. I'm just gonna get some plastic bags from downstairs and put all the screws in there. I guess that'll work. And then we'll just put it in the basement, and then the new fan will be up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.